Hi, this is Dipanjan. Today I'm excited to show you a quick glimpse of Kombai. Kombai is a new ensemble model that is trained to understand and code UI designs like humans. It can get you high quality UI code for any Figma design in just one click per component. Start with the Figma file that you want to code. You do not have to preprocess it manually. No need to group, name, or tag elements or use auto layout. Copy the link to this Figma frame, then go to app.kombai.com and prompt Kombai with this design. Once Kombai opens up the design, select any component that you want to code. Kombai will generate the React and HTML plus CSS in just a few seconds. You can preview the auto-generated code here and compare it against the design. You can download the React code using this button or copy HTML and CSS using the right-click options here. You can also select specific parts of the code and copy only that. Kombai can generate logical HTML elements and their grouping, even if Figma file has no groups or structure. It can break down the React code into logical components. It can even figure out appropriate names for the components and divs based on their content. Moving on to CSS, Kombai generates CSS with no hard-coded dimensions, including appropriate flex grow and shrink, justify, gap, padding, etc. It creates a top-level div with fixed width in order to ensure visual fidelity of the output, but you can easily exclude that while incorporating the code in your codebase. If a design has repeated components like this one, Kombai can also identify repeated instances of the same component even when they have different content in the design. In such cases, it is also able to create appropriate loops and conditions and write clean JS code. Last but not least, Kombai can identify form elements such as buttons, inputs, selects, and checkboxes and output them as functional components. Kombai is currently in research preview and free to use for individual developers. Please take it out for a spin, and if you have any feedback or need any help, reach out to us at support@kombai.com.